Hi, this is Adil from Kazi Auto. Today I'll be installing Infiniti Q50 2016 model. We're installing Apple CarPlay interface, so people who don't want to change the screen, so they can get Apple CarPlay into their original screen. So after installation, we will show you how it looked like. It's a complete plug and play solution, so you don't have to cut any wire or any modification with your existing screen. And the total time for the installation is around 10 to 15 minutes. After installation, you will get the original screen, original function will work as same, and then you will get Apple CarPlay once you press the back button for 3 seconds. As you can see, we press for 3 seconds and then you shift it to Apple CarPlay option, and it has music, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And best thing is these all options are wireless, so you don't have to connect cable to connect with the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. All OEM features such as 360 camera and Alpine or Bose sound system, it will work same as before. So this is the final look after installation. So as you guys can see, this is the Apple CarPlay, and it can work as a touch, and also from the buttons you can also connect.